This video is going to show you how to repair a leaking nozzle. You see how the water is coming out of there ever so slightly? There's an O-ring in there. Now I'm going to show you how to change it. Just a little point there. Notice how the water is coming out the front, not out the bottom, the back right here. There's actually two O-rings. So depending on where the leak is coming out will determine which O-ring needs to be replaced. In this instance, it's coming out the top. So we'll replace the top O-ring. I purchased a variety of O-rings, a variety box from Home Depot. We'll sort through them and we'll pick the best size. I looked through here and I think the size that we need is this one right here. I'm not sure, but I believe it equivocates to a number 30. Sits right here. We'll try that one. Step one is to remove the nozzle. You do that by turning it all the way counterclockwise. The O-ring that needs to be replaced is a small one right up here at the very, very top right here. I hope you can see that. So it's right there. Maybe I can get the camera to focus better. Right there. If it was leaking from the bottom, there's another O-ring right here that would need to be changed. Right here where I'm pointing. But we're going to replace this one on top right here. So I'm going to remove it with a small screwdriver. I'm just going to pry it off and I'll put the new one on. The old one's been removed. Now I'm going to simply install the new one. Here's a view of the new O-ring. Right there, you see that? Sitting on this surface here. The final step is to reinstall the piece that goes over it by turning it all the way clockwise. And now we'll test it. Okay, I've turned the water back on. It's under pressure. And I do not see any leaks. I don't see any water gurgling up or any seepage. So a simple washer fixed the hose nozzle.